Hey, I'm Jeff Rogers with Mechanical Trades Institute. I would like to tell you about an open house that we are planning on February the 11th. This is an opportunity for teachers, counselors, parents, and students to come in and to view our school and to learn about these opportunities. Mechanical Trades Institute is a registered apprenticeship. We train plumbers, pipe fitters, service technicians, and welders. Our training is completely free. On this day, all those in attendance will be able to see our apprentices at work. The day will start out with a presentation, followed by a guided tour, and then you'll actually get to see our apprentices going head to head in this first level of competition. These apprentices start here, but will have an opportunity to advance all the way to the national level. We're real excited about what's going on. We want to share this information with seniors who are getting ready to make their plans as they get ready to graduate from high school. This is an opportunity to go to school and come out with no student debt and make money while you're doing this. If you are interested, you can go to our website, scroll down to Quick Links, and register. We do have an opportunity for school groups who register early. There are some funds available that could offset some of your transportation expenses. We look forward to seeing you at our open house on February the 11th.